India Gate is imprinted on our collective psyche as a never-changing monument that we have been used to seeing the way it is for the last 50 years at least. But it has gone through a few alterations since 1947 and before that, with Prime Minister Modi announcing the installation of a statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at the India Gate. Let's turn the clock back and see a brief history of this iconic monument at the heart of the national capital. India Gate is a war memorial built in memory of 84,000 British Indian soldiers who died in the First World War and other wars for the British colonial government. It was designed by Sir Edward Lutyens. It stands astride the Rajpath, the ceremonial boulevard of Delhi, considered one of the most important roads in the country, and it is where the annual Republic Day parade is held each year.
The tableau from Arunachal Pradesh is entitled Peace Within.
About 150 meters east of the India Gate stands a canopy that once sheltered a statue of King George V. The cupola was constructed in 1936 as a tribute to the then British Emperor who had died. In fact, Rajpath was before independence known as King's Way in honor of George V, who had visited Delhi during the Darbar of 1911, during which time the capital of British India was officially moved from Kolkata or Calcutta then to Delhi. The cupola was the site of a statue of the former emperor. The canopy was topped by a gilded Tudor crown and bore the royal ciphers of George V. These two were removed on 12th August 1958. The statue of George V was installed amid much controversy during the peak of the independence movement in India. It was even defaced by freedom activists, records say. However, it stood looking over the VIP corridors of Delhi for 10 long years before political pressure and consensus was built over its removal. But where could it be relocated? The British government would not have it back, citing lack of funds or a suitable site. The British High Commission refused due to lack of space on its premises. In 1968, the statue was finally moved from under the canopy and placed in storage briefly before being taken permanently to the Coronation Park in the national capital, which would eventually become a graveyard for British Raj-era statues that no one wanted. Ever since then, the canopy has been vacant. There were proposals to install the statue of Mahatma Gandhi, for instance, under the canopy, and it was even discussed in the Indian Parliament in the 1980s, but nothing happened. Now, a statue of Subhash Chandra Bose will occupy the space. Another major change would be seen at India Gate in 1971, when the Indira Gandhi-led government installed a black marble plinth under the arch of the India Gate. On top of that structure, an upturned rifle with a war helmet was installed to symbolize the unknown soldier. 4 urns bound the memorial, and they are kept lit at all times to symbolize the eternal spirit of martyrs. This is known as the Amar Jawan Jyoti, which has been burning for 50 years at the site and which now will be merged with the torch at the National War Memorial inaugurated in 2019. What did you think of this story? Let us know in the comments below.